It's beginning to look like ADABOX-mas everywhere you go. Let your ideas flow for projects you want to show, with push buttons and LEDs aglow. It's beginning to look like ADABOX-mas. Everything is grand, but the nicest thing on the shelf is something you made yourself with your own hand. A circuit playground with a speaker for sound is the wish of Barney and Ben. A Raspberry Pi with some LCD eyes is the hope of Janice and Jen. And friends at the hackerspace can't wait to 3D print again. It's beginning to look like ADABOX-mas everywhere you go. So grab a feather wing, let the piezo ring, and prototype a board for sensing snow. It's beginning to look like ADABOX-mas. Time for oscilloscopes. Get your projects all debugged, then cozy up nice and snug with some warm